Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord stuck on starting in Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method on just need to click on the system tray, right click on the Discord and select quit Discord. And now go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here find Discord folder, just right click on it and select delete it. And now go back to app data, double click on the local. Now find the Discord folder, just double click on it, double click on the app. Now scroll down and find the discord.exe file and just right click on the discord.exe file and select properties and select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can open the Discord over here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome, search Geek uninstaller, just search in Google Chrome and check the download option over here. Check the zip option and download it, and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to check this folder icon. Double click on the zip file, double click on the geek.exe, select yes. Now find the Discord in this list. Just right click on the Discord and select uninstall. Select the finish option and now just to close stuff here and open up Chrome, search Discord download, select the Discord site, select the download for Windows option. After getting download done, you just need to install the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.